Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create eye-catching designs quickly and easily, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through step by step how to edit and share templates in Canva, specifically how you can find a car-themed template, customize it to fit your needs, and get it ready to share with the world. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident about navigating Canva and making those edits your own, whether you need to whip up a flyer, a social media post, or anything else. So let's jump right in. First things first, go to Canva. You can do this on your web browser, or if you prefer, you can even use the Canva app on your phone or tablet. If you don't already have a Canva account, it's free to sign up and it only takes a minute. Once you're at Canva's homepage, you'll see a big Create a Design button near the top right. Give that a click. Think of this as opening a brand new sketchbook. It's where all your creative ideas are about to take shape. Now in the search bar that appears, type cars. Canva has a massive library of templates, and by typing cars, you're telling Canva to show you all the designs that include cars. This could be anything from car sale flyers, mechanic business cards, to automotive event banners. This step is really about giving yourself a head start. Instead of designing from scratch, you're letting Canva do the heavy lifting by presenting you with professionally designed templates you can use as your foundation. Browse the templates and pick one that fits your style or needs. Maybe you see a bold flyer that catches your eye, or maybe there's a simple social media post that looks spot on for your project. Don't worry if it's not a perfect match. The beauty of Canva templates is that they're fully customizable. When you find one you like, just click on it and it'll open up the editing workspace. Here comes the fun part, editing your template. This is where you get to put your personal stamp on the design. You can change the text to reflect your own message, swap out images. Maybe you want to use a photo of your actual car or your business logo. Adjust colors to perfectly match your brand or move elements around until it looks just right. If you're new to Canva, try clicking on different elements. You'll see options to change fonts, resize things, or even add cool graphics and effects. Take your time here. It's a bit like decorating a room until it feels just right. And don't worry if your first few changes look a little messy. You can always hit undo or keep tweaking until you're happy with it. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share or download your creation. Just look for the share button in the top right corner. If you want to show your design directly to friends, a team, or clients, you can share a link right from Canva. Or if you want to save it to your computer or phone, you can choose from download options like PDF, JPEG, or PNG. Canva will guide you through this, and it usually only takes a few seconds. Just like that, your finished, personalized design is ready to go. And that's all there is to it. You've just taken a template and turned it into something totally your own, and now it's ready to share with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want more Canva tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.